to a Crocs resizing vid. This is for Mac and his boys who have very wide feet, very squared off toes. So they have fit issues with Crocs. So ideally you're going to want to go up a size. So whatever your normal shoe size is, go up one size, because these are going to shrink a little bit when you try to resize them. So what I'm going to try to accomplish in this video is just to show you how to widen the toe box, how to expand the width of your Crocs. So in order to illustrate that, I ordered 2 sizes down. I went down to a 10. I typically wear a size 12 in all of my Crocs. These are within reach. Bam, size 12. So I went down to a size 10 to illustrate how to widen the toe box. I don't think I'm going to be able to elongate these. That's one thing that Crocs, it's really difficult to stretch them lengthwise if they're too small, but you can stretch them widthwise if they're not wide enough. So that's why I recommend going up one size if you plan on doing this, because when they're exposed to the heat, they're going to shrink a little bit before we can stretch them out. So I'll do my best to try to stretch them out lengthwise, but I don't think that's going to happen. But we should be able to reform our toe box so that they fit a little bit better. So I'll show you right now. I probably can't even fit in these. This is a barely. This is a used pair that I bought off of Amazon. I got them for 10 bucks. It looks like they've already been heat damaged because they're kind of warped on the top. So I've got the oven preheated to 350. I'm going to throw them in and then try to stretch them out a little bit to get them to fit my feet. So for the wide-footed viewers who are unable to fit in normal Crocs, this is kind of a video for you guys. Get a baking sheet and throw a couple towels down, preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna throw them in and we'll come back and check on them in like 4 minutes. All right, we got about 30 seconds left on the timer, and I can smell the AVA cooking, so we should be pretty good. Yep, nice and soft. It's a little tacky. You'll feel it's a little tacky, and it's very soft when it gets warm like this, so we should be good. I'm wearing wool socks, but you want at least two pair, if not 3, if you want them to stretch out a little more. So while they're still hot and warm, I'm gonna throw them right on foot. Be careful not to burn yourself. All right, I'm gonna leave my strap up front just to try to work on the body real quick. Alright. So they get super malleable. So go ahead and pull them right on. Oh, you know what? I might even be able to stretch the length out because these are so soft. Hang on, let me pull the strap back. Okay. Alright. There's one. They're so soft. Look at them stretch. That's funny. The gibbet holes are getting long. So these, it doesn't matter what your foot shape is. You know, I know you guys got squared toes. Just do this. Whatever your foot shape is, you could have a foot shaped like a square or a brick or an octagon, and just do this. See at the back, it's hard to stretch the length out. It's almost like I gotta move forward, drag it forward to get a little more length in it, as I think that's gonna be the only fit issue with these, is not getting the length proper. But the width is good. You can see them form into my foot. So I could have probably even put another pair of socks on just to stretch them a little more, to get a little more length out of them. But there you go. We'll let them cool like this. I'll step down on them a little bit. That'll form my foot into the footbed and custom fit them. So there is, that's stretching a It's not good over here. That's stretching a 10 to a 12. They might not be pretty, but they fit. You can see they fit. And they're Crocs. So we'll let them cool. Let me get this in a selfie stick. All right. So I might have to do another video. Like we can go down to like an 8. Go down to a size 8 and see if I can fit them. This is probably, I would say 2 sizes is, yeah, that's probably stretching it. Like, you might be able to go further, but this is probably stretching it far enough. But you can see I got it, man. I pulled the length out. They're still nice and warm. It's still kind of cooling, but it's not hot to the touch anymore. Watch these be like my favorite Crocs moving forward. Yeah, I'll if you want to support the channel, I'll throw a Crocs link. I'll throw an affiliated link for this video. If you're looking at getting some Crocs, you want to help support the channel and the community. All right, they're starting to cool pretty good. So I got these off of eBay for 10 bucks. They were used. They came with a bunch of gibbets too, which I gave to my sister. They came with a bunch of Grateful Dead gibbets and some fish gibbets. So I pulled those off. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. We'll let them cool for like another 10 minutes or so. They're pretty cool to the touch now, but I want them to cool completely on foot so they're not going to shrink anymore, and then we will pull them off. They feel a little short at the heel, but that's why I recommend going up one size. Like if you guys plan on doing this with your Crocs, go up a size from your normal size to accommodate for that for the shrinking, because you're going to lose a little length in them. Just throwing them in the oven like this, they're going to shrink a little bit. So to compensate for that loss of length, go up one size. And then when you widen them out, they'll shrink a little bit in the length, and they'll fit your feet to a T. They'll be perfect. They will be custom fit foam footwear at that point. You'll have some custom fit Crocs. So I'll let these cool, then we'll come back in a minute. All right, these are done cooling. Let's go ahead and take them off. I grabbed my 11s. These are glow in the dark. I never showed these on any videos. They glow in the dark. They're kind of cool. These are an early model that I picked up. Very early model. But yep. So that's the only pair of 11 Crocs that I have. So we will kind of compare these 10s to those and see what kind of dimension we got out of the stretch. But I'm actually kind of liking these because they have a unique fit to them. They're very kind of dainty. They feel like ninja Crocs or something. Just how light they are, because it's less material, but they're elongated and they're stretched to fit, so they feel really kind of stealthy. Like they're just really they're not clunky at all. Like Crocs can fit a little clunky. These are almost like, they feel like they're a moccasin now, not a clog. So this might be something that's like really cool. These might actually be really cool. Let me take my socks off. Since I sized them with the woolies on, I should have a little extra width in them. Yeah, they're like perfect. There you go. So follow this. Look at that, even the length. I got the length out of it too. And these feel so light, being less material, being a size 10 stretched to a 12. Wow. These are nice. I really like these now. These are like the best fitting Croc that I have. These are like something brand new. These are like no longer Crocs, because look at how form fit they are to my toes. Sorry, I don't have the best angle here. Look how form fit these are. This is like the best fitting Croc I've ever had on my feet. They're extremely custom fit, and they're very light, being less material. They're super malleable too, just having been stretched out like that. So there you go. That's how you stretch out a pair of Crocs. That's how you custom fit a pair of Crocs that are too small for your foot, no matter what dimensions your feet are. Just do that. You'll start smelling it when it's in the oven, when it's baking. I started to smell it after about 3 minutes. I set the timer for 4 minutes, and after about 3 minutes I started smelling the EVA cooking. So these are even smaller than an 11, but they fit, you know, like I stretched them to fit my foot exactly. So I think the heel, I kind of got a little of an overhang that's accommodating for the extra length of my foot. That's kind of where you gain your length, is you just push that back a little bit, but you're really not stretching the sole at all. But I think that's gonna shrink a little bit on you, like I was saying. That's why I was recommending to go up at least one size. But these 11s, let me come up a little bit. These 11s actually fit my feet fine. Like I could wear an 11 Crocs, but I prefer to wear the 12s just to have a little extra room, a little extra space in them. So these 10s, they kind of have a unique look to them also, just being stretched out like that. Like they're not as clunky and clumsy looking. Like they actually look like they're made out of leather, with this black too, and how it's got this kind of how it's got this kind of matte sheen, this matte finish to it. They look like they're made out of leather. These are great. So yeah, here you go, guys. Custom fit your Crocs. You can stretch them out 2 sizes. If you've outgrown your old Crocs, you can just do this to them, just stretch them out. Or if you've got some hand-me-down Crocs that are too big for a younger brother, just do this, stretch them out, and they'll fit. I kind of like how these look too. I kind of like this custom look fit, this custom fit look. You might, they might not gibbet as well. Hang on, let me go grab, I've got a gibbet here real quick. I think these are my new favorite Crocs. They just feel different. The midsole doesn't feel as thick. Well, it's probably because I pressed my foot into them while they were warm, so like the footbed is now custom fit to my foot shape. Like these are extremely custom fit now. I think you can still gibbet them too. I got a couple fishies. Yep, you can still gibbet them, even though the gibbet holes got a little elongated. See, they got a little elongated. That happened to my camo ones too. The camo lined Crocs, when I resized those, the gibbet holes got elongated. But yeah, so there you go. These are these might be the most comfortable Crocs I own. I really like that. Not shabby. I'm probably gonna wear these. One thing real quick, sorry I don't have my mic on. You can see how it reformed the top. Remember they were all shrunken and warped before? By doing that process, we got our nice form back to the top. They bounced back up, and it really elongated that heel and that strap to allow my foot, which is 11.5, to fit into these 10s. So even if you have an old pair of Crocs that you've outgrown, you can just do this process and custom fit them to fit again. So yeah, that actually worked out a lot better than I anticipated it to. You can even see my foot formed into the upper here. See my big toe and index toe. So your foot will do the same thing. It'll stretch out for you guys. Cool. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just follow what I did in the video and custom fit your own Crocs. These are good. I'm kind of liking these. I'm probably gonna wear these. I don't think they look bad either. they look like they're made out of leather now. Like these are like a custom leather made Croc. Pretty cool. I don't know if you'll get that same effect with other colors, but just because of these being black, having that kind of sheen to them, that low gloss, that matte gloss, and how the toe's nice and rounded on them, how it like fits my foot now, like they look like they're made out of leather. So, and the footbed's really nice too, since I pressed my foot into it. So I recommend doing this. You could do this with your normal Crocs. Like you don't have to really need to like stretch them out so much. Like if you just want to custom fit your foot into the footbed, you can just follow this process. So, and it'll shrink them down. It'll tighten them down to your foot too. If you think Crocs are too big and kind of clumsy around your feet, this will shrink them down to fit your foot a little bit better, like a custom fit Croc. Because that's what they are now, custom fit. Cool. All right, thanks. We'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe and all that jazz, affiliated links, blah, 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 blah. Okay. See you. Hopefully this helped.